In our previous video, we have seen React.js components, and we had a lot of components, I have made in practical. So I suppose now you understood clearly. And if you remember, in our second last video, we have created all these grading system that this was basically our React.js challenge. In this challenge, we had dynamic grading, that if it is between time, let me show you. I think I have erased. If the time is between 1 to 11, it will show hello sir, and with hello sir it will show good morning. And if the time is between 12 and 19, it will show good afternoon. And if the time is between you can say 19 onward, and it will show good night. And it was also changing the time dynamically that we had. So in today's tutorial, we would have a practice that how can we convert all these into components that we have studied in our previous video. So just pause the video and try to do it by yourself, that how can we create components of our this code. No, I hope you did it, and you can also have a try it. So let me tell you that what is JS app.jsx. So I'm just going to delete it and writing the name as JSX. We can also work on JS, but as I have told you that we have components all of JSX, so that's why I'm going to use JSX, because you can have a question in comment. That's why I have deleted app.js and I have used app.jsx. Basically, we are going to create a separate component. You can have multiple components, it's up to you, but you can say that this is only one element, and all this code is going to change the values of this one element. That's why officially we can use only one React component here, but you can have multiple components, it's up to you. So first of all, I am going to copy all this code. Let greeting and till this place I am just cutting and pasting here. Control V, and I have, first of all I have to import React in this page. Import React from React, and our second step is we have to make a function, and the function should be of the same name that we have the page name, app and function sign. And this function would return, let me show you what would it return. It would return this tag. This is nothing but just one element, Control X, and we are just pasting here, Control V. And the last thing that we have to do is export this component so that we may use it in other pages. Default. Now here I have to write app. There was a spelling mistake. Export default app. Control S. Now you can see that there is no error here. So let me again move to my index.jsx, and here I am importing dash f. So what if I don't gonna import it? It will automatically import it. Control S. It is not imported automatically because we had not self-closing tag here. That's why it is not imported by React automatically. So let me import it. Dot app, and here we have semicolon, control S, and you can see that it is still working. We just made a React component which is a separate component, and no, it is not a rush. So this is all about components. You can have only single component, but multiple as well, is up to you. But officially it can be only one React component. That's why I have used only one React component, because we have only one element which is showing any meaning. So this was our today's challenge. I hope you understood it.